to Disney this day, I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1974, the Hoop-Dee-Doo Musical Revue dinner show debuted at Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground. 6 students from the Disney World Fine Arts College Workshop program made up the cast over the opening summer. The show became such a hit that a permanent cast took over that fall. It has become one of the longest running dinner shows in American history, with more than 40,000 performances for over 11 million guests. That's a lot in 50 years, isn't it? Have you seen it? Do you love it? I sure do. Anyway, have a magical day.